God does not need you to have it all figured out. God just needs you to keep going forward. When you plug in a destination in your GPS, you don't know exactly every single road you're going to be on, exactly every turn you're going to make, or every exit you're going to take. But you just keep going. You pull out of your driveway and you move forward. You take the turns as they come. You take the directions as they come. So whatever it is you want to build in your life, whether that is a super successful career or confidence or your dream body or relationship that you want to call in, don't get so fixated on how am I going to do this? How is this going to be possible? God is calling you to keep moving forward, to keep having trust, and to keep taking daily steps in the direction of your goals, of your dreams, and of your desires. And as you do so, the path will unfold in front of you.